How to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Vipin Basant, and today I'll guide you on how you can deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. Well, after the latest update, it's quite simple. However, you won't be able to do so on the application itself. What you want to do is you want to head into your browser on your device and you want to search in for instagram.com and you want to log into your account on your browser. Now you can see I'm on the official website of Instagram, that is instagram.com, and here I'm logged into my account. What you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and here let this load up. Now as you can see, it has loaded up. What you want to do is you want to tap on edit profile option that you can see along with the screen and let it load up. Now it's taking quite some time to load up, but you just need to wait. As you can see here, it has loaded up. I'm on the edit profile page, and if I scroll down below, if you just need to scroll down below, and at the bottom right corner you can see temporarily deactivate my account option. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, it'll prompt you through couple steps here. You want to select why are you deactivating. Just select the option and then you want to enter your password and then simply tap on temporarily deactivate option at the bottom left corner of your screen and your account will be deactivated. So this is the way you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.